Hey guys, Railfan here, and today I'm at a private crossing in Butte, Montana. This right here, this road goes to the Montana Resources, which is owned by the Washington Corporation. This is in Butte, Montana. So, yeah, the first signal here, we have a safe tram base. Here we have the emergency information. The DOT number is 090356D. The lights on the signal are safe tram 8-inch lights, which are slightly faded. And for the side lights, at this crossing are a pair of Griswold 8-inch lights, which Griswold or Rayco 8-inch lights, I'm not sure. Most likely Griswold, I'm not sure. Down there is facing towards the end of the line, facing down there. And over there, that's where the beginning of the spur is, and right there's the relay case. So there's the relay case right there. They call it Central Road. I'm not sure. The second signal here. Has a Griswold base. Here's the emergency information. The lights are Rayco 8-inch lights. As you can see, they say Rayco, and they're also slightly faded. This one right here is cracked. Yeah, they're incandescent, and the bell on this crossing is a Rayco mechanical bell. You can't see what it is since I could see it in my eyes, but it does say Rayco. It's just in really small words. It's in really small text. And I'm not even going to think to pass that signal since I feel like I'm a suspect. So yeah, that was a private railroad crossing that goes into Montana Resources. That was the private crossing in Butte, Montana at milepost 0.69. I hope you enjoyed this tour, and I will see you down the line.